It was 2015. The city was going crazy. I turned on the TV and saw what happened. And now the young people were absolutely out of control. And I'm looking at that TV and I lock eyes with a couple of kids and I saw myself. And I immediately heard what I thought was my calling from God to say, I didn't bless you with all these talents for you to keep it to yourself and for you to be selfish. This is what it was for.
So we do know that across the United States, 6.8 million children under the age of 17 suffer from food insecurity. In Baltimore City, about 25% of young people were food insecure.
Many of our young people, they had done a little research and found out that there were at least 6 communities in Baltimore City that were defined as food insecure. And that a lot of times young people put themselves in dangerous situations because of the stigma around poverty.
You would literally do anything to eat. So when you see young people engaging in prostitution, gun violence, I bet you there's a story behind it. I was connected with Miss Trina at the Johns Hopkins Bloomberg School Center for Adolescent Health. So we started talking and having these conversations around food insecurity and, more importantly, bringing young people into that conversation so that they could help bring about the solutions.
It's really important that we don't try to solve the problems facing young people without having young people be part of the discussion. And that led to a meeting where we sort of brainstormed and we said to young people, well, what do you think we should do? And the idea that won was the Granny Project.
So the Granny Project is all about food insecurity. So basically, we don't want people to worry about where their next meal is going to come from. So our job was to kind of make it like a safe home or a safe place for people to, talk to us about what they're going through, talk to us about how they may not know what they're going to eat for one night.
The Granny Project is a project where young people learn from older people how to make quick meals for themselves and their family. They learn about family recipes, health benefits, and they are building relationships that empower our communities.
And this really helps to bring young people together with elders who understand and have lived through a history in Baltimore.
One of our OG, we call her OG Granny, which is Miss Sherry, that's Miss Joni's mom. I love her to death. I love her enthusiasm when she cooks. I love how she would cook and would make sure that everyone is on the same track.
I just call them my little young chefs. They seem to like me. It's just been rewarding for me. I've been able to help someone and that I've been able to just impart a skill in them that, that they can use across their lifetime.
By targeting grannies so that people can eat healthy, it's directly tying into reducing that disparity of food insecurity here in Baltimore.
This award means a lot, means so much. Henrietta Lacks has a legacy that we can truly only aspire to.
Joni, from the moment I met her, has been a shining star. She is someone that truly embraces young people.
I have to say, I cannot overstate the amount that Joni and HeartSmiles have completely transformed the Center for Adolescent Health.
I have a hard time taking the credit because I feel like I'm just doing what I'm supposed to be doing. I know for a fact that the young people who are in our charge right now are going to be truly the leaders of this world.
But honestly, when I first started, when I was a really strong introvert, I ended up changing a lot. Like my mentality changed tremendously. I think that's mainly what about the program that really amazes me is because it doesn't matter where you're from. This program will literally help you get to where you want to be. Is why I am who I am today. And I can only see a better me in the future. I can only see what I am now times 10.